Hello friends, festival without sweets are incomplete and that also in this pandemic situation it is good that we make sweets at home. So in this festival season today we will be making the favorite sweet of almost everyone, that is Badam Katri. In this recipe you will see that without using any tedious process of making khoa, we will be making this tasty Badam Katri or called Badam Barfi. For making this sweet, we require very few ingredients. They are 1 cup badam, half cup sugar, few drops of ghee, half cup water and powder of 3 cardamom. So first, we need to make badam powder. If you want to make white katri, then you need to soak overnight these badams in water and then remove the outer layer. But here I have directly made the powder. Now we will be starting with the barfi making. Take a pan and grease it with ghee so that it's easy to handle even for those who are making it for the first time. Now add sugar and water together. Give it a quick stir. Here we will be making sugar syrup of 1 tar. Here sugar quantity can vary. If you like more sweet, then you can increase the sugar. Once all the sugar dissolves, you will be able to see bubbles. Heat it more for 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can check the consistency of 1 tar with your finger. Now add badam powder, cardamom powder and few drops of ghee. And mix everything properly. You can see a slurry is formed. Reduce the flame and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till it slightly thickens. You can see some lumps are formed. Don't worry, these lumps will go away as you go on mixing. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, once the slurry starts to thicken, switch off the flame and go on mixing. Seeing this consistency, do not get tensed. As the slurry cools down, it will thicken. Here I am continuously mixing and spreading on the pan. You know this badam katri which we are making will be made even better than market. Just note that go on mixing and spreading on the pan to get the shining surface of katri. Here instead of cardamom powder you can also take kesar powder or any other flavor of your choice. Once the mixer cools down, you can see it has started leaving the surface. It is looking similar to that of dough. Now we will be kneading this dough. Here I have taken a wooden chopping board and applied some ghee for kneading the dough. You can also take silicone mat if you have. Now take the dough on the greased board and 2 drops of ghee and start kneading just like roti. You can see how the dough is now smooth and soft and has also become very easy to handle. Now with the help of your palm, flatten the dough. Now we will be giving the shape of the katri. Take a butter paper and grease it with ghee and put the flattened dough on it. And on the top also cover it with butter paper like this and roll it into the desired thickness. Here you can also use polythene if you don't have butter paper. Now cut it from all the 4 sides to form a rectangle. This cut portion you can again roll it and give the desired shape. You can give badam katri your desired shape, but generally they are of diamond shape, so here I will be making diamond shape katris. First give the slight marking with knife and then cut the katris. See how soft our katris have came out. You can store this badam katri for 1 month in refrigerator. You know the total cost of this badam katri is almost less than half that we purchase from market in normal season. So this Diwali, try this super soft and tasty recipe at home without any adulteration. And if you like this recipe, then press the like button and do not forget to share the recipe with your friends. Also subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali.